In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lookup filters in Salesforce, and we'll explore what lookup filters are in Salesforce. Before we dive into the steps, let me give you a brief overview of what lookup filters actually do. Lookup filters control which records appear in a lookup field based on specific criteria. This function is particularly useful in maintaining data accuracy, as it ensures that only relevant records are shown. This can make your database management much more efficient and significantly reduce the chance of errors. To get started, log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Setup area. You can quickly find this by looking for the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Click on it and then open Advanced Setup. From here, you're going to use the Quick Find search bar. Enter Object Manager into the search bar to streamline your navigation process. Click on Object Manager when it appears in the results. Now within the Object Manager, you need to select the object that you're dealing with. For instance, this could be contacts or any specific object pertinent to your needs. Once you've selected the object, the next step is to click on Fields and Relationships. There, you'll see your list of fields. Choose the lookup field that you wish to apply filters to and click on it to open its settings. When inside the field setup, you're going to want to locate and click on the Edit option and then click on Show Filter Settings. This is where the filter magic happens. Here, you can add conditions that records must meet in order to be shown in the lookup field. An example condition might be account status equals active. This would ensure that only records with an active status are displayed in your lookup field. Next, after setting your conditions, you can choose the filter behavior by determining whether you want the filter to be required or optional. If you choose required, only records meeting the condition will be displayed. If optional, users can choose to bypass the filter and view all records. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, don't forget to click Save. This final step applies your changes, activating your lookup filter, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a lookup filter in Salesforce. With these filters in place, you can ensure your data is more precise and manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep optimizing your workflow with Salesforce.